Hi, I'm Matt and I'm here to show you the WMFG line of kiteboard and SUP pumps. I'd like to start with pump 1.0R. This is our standard 20-inch or 50 centimeter tall kiteboard pump. Now at WMFG we went to great lengths to make sure that our pumps are compatible with every kite on the market. Now the way we did that is by including nozzles for every manufacturer's kite. You'll find all those nozzles in this nice little parts bag, and with those nozzles you'll also find a couple of spare parts here. Let me show you a couple other features on our kiteboard pumps. First of all, we've gone with a different way of attaching the hose to the pump. We're using this nice threaded attachment here. We feel this is the most secure and durable way to put a hose onto a pump. What's great about it, it'll never pop off while you're inflating and there is nothing to break. Here's some other features. We've got a really nice sturdy leash that's compatible with every kite. This nice little integrated pressure valve here. Last thing I want to show you on this pump is this one-way, two-way valve on the back. Now with this closed, the pump will draw and push air on both the upstroke and the downstroke. This is the setting to have when you're trying to put as much air into a kite as quickly as possible. Now if you're a smaller rider or struggling to reach max PSI on your smaller kites, what you can do is open this valve. That will make it almost zero resistance and not pushing or pulling air on the way up. And then you can use your body weight on the way down to inflate your kite. Zero resistance on the way up, maximum inflation on the way down. This is really great. It's going to make pumping your smaller kites a lot easier. Next thing I want to show you is something even more exciting. This is pump 1.0T, and it has all the exact same exciting features that you're going to see in pump 1.0R, but here's the catch, it's bigger. This is 24 inches or 60 centimeters tall. Now, what that means for a guy like me at 5'10" height is I can inflate a kite without even bending my knees. It's effortless. This will take all the fight out of pumping up kites. As I mentioned, 100% the same pump, same two-way valve, same pressure gauge, same setup as the pump 1.0R. It's taller, it's easier, it's faster, and it's better. Lastly, I'm going to talk about our SUP pump. Now, this pump also has a lot of the same features as you've seen already. Our two-way valve, the integrated gauge, the threaded hose attachment. The difference is this pump is optimized for higher PSIs and it's intended for stand-up paddle boards. Now, kites usually top out around 12 or 13 PSI. Some SUPs will go as high as 20 to 25 PSI. With pumps in general, you have a trade-off between high volume and low PSI, or higher PSI with lower volume. The difference is, when you get into a narrower pump, it's going to be easier to pump at those higher end of the PSI range. So these kiteboard pumps with this diameter, they work great for getting a kite up to the 12 or 13 PSI range. It's going to be near impossible to get into that 20 to 25 range. So the other difference, aside from the diameter on these pumps, is this has also got beefed up gaskets that can handle the pressures involved in getting your SUP fully inflated. Let's talk just real quick here about a couple of parts that we offer at WMFG. Now the first thing we offer is this nice little parts bag that you've seen here. That'll give you all the nozzles you see here and the spare parts. They'll be compatible with any kite. We also have a complete hose and nozzle kit available. So once again, all your nozzles and spare parts and a brand new hose. The hose we're offering with this is the standard bayonet style fitting that will work with any pump that's made in the last 15 years. That's it from WMFG. For a local dealer or distributor information or to order online, please go to WMFG.co. Thanks very much and you have a great day.